before I get started, I just want to let you know this is the glue that I'm using. I did get it sent over to me. I will put everything down in the description down below. You always want to make sure that you shake your glue. So now I'm just going to take the chunk of lashes and make sure that this is a very thin. I am using 0.03 in order to create full and fluffy fans. So you want to dip it into your glue. You're going to want to wipe it side to side, and then sometimes I do back and forth depending on if my base is thin enough. Here I don't have a really good angle, but you see that it is fluffy and with a thin base. Here I get a little bit of a better. You want to make sure you have no stragglers like here, so I just took it off, and so I'm dipping it in my glue. I'm going to wipe side to side, back and forth. The way I do this is I let it go just a bit. I'm not letting it go completely to where all my lashes are falling. I'm letting it go just a bit. I am holding it very tight so that way it gives me that good grip, and then I'm going to wipe back and forth, up and down on my glue ring, if that makes sense. So just watch me here a few more times. So I'm going to grab the chunk that I want. Again, I'm using 0.03, dipping it in my glue, and I'm wiping it side to side. Bam, a fan. So you just want to practice makes perfect. Again, here I'm grabbing the chunk that I want, going to wipe it on the side of my glue ring, and it helps me create that very thin base. As long as you are holding it tight enough but letting it go just a bit to where you can loosen up those lashes, you will be fine, I promise you. Again, here I am doing the same thing, squeezing, dipping, wiping, and it helps me create that fluffy thin base. No, that fluffy fan with a thin base. There we go. And you want to practice, and like I said before, practice makes perfect. You aren't going to complete this and get it on the first day. You want to practice. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. See you guys in my next video.